Hey, welcome D-Lab everybody. I got two things for you. Number one, the Snozeramous shirts have arrived. I have a very limited quantity in size large only. If it gets popular, I'll order more sizes. I also have these cool 9-ounce glasses that could be used for juice or perhaps wine, right? If you're interested, drop me a line. Secondly, we have a Fender Princeton kit, okay? And the guy that built it did not have the best of luck. I hear the power transformer went up in a ball of smoke, so we have a replacement. And there's also some wiring issues that I'm going to show you close up. Here's the insides of the Princeton. I believe what killed the power transformer, if you take a look at these filament lines, I see several of them that are crossed over and hitting other pins. So it probably sent some 6.3 volts where it shouldn't have went, and the power transformer didn't like it. Also not a big fan of this bias board. We're going to do something to secure that. The other thing I noticed is that the eyelet board is up on standoffs, but they're too high. If I take a ruler, it's rocking on the top of that cap. So I need to take care of that too, but the game plan is gut it out and start over. So I've started the gut out process. Eyelet board is going to be completely rewired, and I'm also going to change out this brass ground plate. I did notice that all the ground connections on the filter cap did not solder to the chassis. The other thing that caught my eye is there is a rear IEC type socket here, and the terminals are deathly close to the rectifier tube. So I need to talk to the owner and see if we can remove that. Alright, we're going to start the process by replacing the brass plate, get the controls installed, and start the rewiring process. There will be a follow-up video.